and we're going to be cooking some spatchcock, which is like a little chicken, and some marinated chicken wings. So the marinated chicken wings, just in some virgin olive oil in the bottom there. Pretty much almost tip those in. So the marinade is Japanese teriyaki sauce from Amoi, and it absolutely smells delicious. That over them. We're going to cook them very slowly with the spatchcock. Okay, I got my oven on 180 degrees. We might slow that down a bit to about 140. Alright. So there's the chicken wings, the spatchcock. So once again, some oil in the bottom. Alright. And we might go with some you can either go Portuguese chicken or paprika duck. What do you want to go? Paprika. Long there, darling. Thank you very much. Okay, so cut these little suckers open. And what we want to do is we want to roll them around in the oil. Let's wait till I get my hands dirty. Okay, so we give them a bit of a roll in the oil, and then we're gonna cover them with paprika. You can put salt and paprika if you like. I'm gonna grab me some salt though. So you lift these little wings up right under there because it's going to taste very nice everywhere you get this. Did I run out? No? Oh, definitely not. Okay. Then we want some salt on in him as well. Give me some salt on. Pepperberry, maybe smoked salt. And I need more paprika. Run out of paprika. Right up under the arms. And some smoked salt. Burns up the same way, no? So we'll use all that up. This is a Tasmanian product. I don't know why I'm trying to put the lid back on because it's going to go in the rubbish. Smoked salt Tasmanian product, and it is made by tasmanianseasalt.com.au. We've been using them a lot on fish and everything, and very, very nice. Absolutely delicious. Paprika on there. We're going to cook them quite slowly. You can cook it quite fast to put a nice brown on the spatchcock and the chicken wings, but while we're going to cook them slowly, it's just so it's very, very soft. So put that in the oven. This one in the oven. Then what we'll do is we'll put some green vegetables with these as well. So, I don't know if you can see them here. We'll put some green vegetables, some broccoli, and some beans. So what we'll do is we'll prepare those, get them ready, and keep crack-a-lacking. We're just going to do our vegetables now. So, with some broccoli. So, with some broccoli. We've got some potatoes here, some beans and some carrots. Seriously, it doesn't take me long to chop these up. With the carrots, are we going to do baked carrots or not though? Or boiled?
A bit boiled.
Boiled? So. Not hard at all. Okay, some water in there, we'll boil them. Okay, broccoli, same thing. In a pot, boil it, easy. Okay, beans. Beans means Heinz. Okay. Alright, so set the ends off that way. Things off that way. They're good to go. And beans ready to boil. So beans in a pot. Waiting for water. Okay, potatoes gonna get roasted with the spatchcock. So I might actually put them in now because I like them nice and crunchy. 6 hour boil. And can you grab him, or I can hold those 6 potatoes? Look at that, what a balancing act. Okay, want these nice and crunchy. A bit of olive oil over the top of those suckers. Make them very nice. And we'll see you in a little bit, maybe an hour or so. So I'll put the timer on for an hour, check in, see where we're at. See you soon. Everything on the boil here. I think we better check these carrots before we boil them out. Maybe the carrots a little bit longer. Beans are good. Beans will come off. Pot. Broccoli in the pot. And let's look at our spatchcock. Look at that. Now is that good or is that good? And chicken wings. Voila. I suppose it's going to turn off here on the hot plate because I just chucked everything on top. That doesn't matter, those carrots will boil down and everything else will boil down. Just plate up. Don't go breaking my heart. I wouldn't if I tried. Look out for a little chicken. Is that the smallest chicken you've ever seen or what? Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why I thought Mum was here. Honey loves vegetables. And add a bit of colour. to the rooster. Voila! I'm not your kind. Bum, 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 bum. Don't go breaking my heart. You look at all the food we got in here. Look at our pan. Yeah. More fridges and freezers. Don't you think, darling? So, we're gonna cheat. Use the magic gravy mix. This is definitely cheating. Because old-fashioned gravy, traditional gravy, is made from what's in the pan over there. And we're gonna make it a little bit different.
Oh, this was a bit unfair.
Do you want darlings?
It's unfair.
You want gravy on everything?
No, this one's
Just this one gravy? Sure.
I just said that it's a twice this one.
Okay, yep, and gravy. And crack-a-lacka. Go for a leg. The leg is the best bit that you can see where it's cooked. So, this is called a spatchcock. And you know what it needs? Definitely needs salt and pepper, guys. Okay. Definitely needs salt and pepper. I'm trying to make this very quick. We've got the baby in the other room. So, let's try the spatchcock. So it's much different than a chicken. So much different than chicken. It's juicier, more flavor, and I don't know. I guess it's kind of like a bird, I guess. Very delicious. We'll try some of the spuds. I don't think these spuds come out of our garden. They were Dutch cream. I brought them today. Very good. And the Heinz means beans with the greens. Gotta have your greens. Absolutely delicious. So, take time in what you're cooking. It took 140 minutes on an hour, and then we took about another 15 minutes for the vegetables, to give you an idea. And it is absolutely perfect. We'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.